Canva empowers marketers to create professional visuals effortlessly. Its user-friendly interface and robust features allow even beginners to design impactful marketing materials. From templates to AI-driven tools, Canva simplifies the design process, enabling users to produce high-quality content that enhances brand visibility and engagement. Canva's impact on digital marketing is profound, with over 220 million users and 95% of Fortune 500 companies trusting its unified platform. It empowers users to create agency-level visuals effortlessly, thanks to intuitive design tools and AI-driven collaboration features, making it indispensable for startups and marketing professionals alike. Canva's core features empower users with a vast template library, offering thousands of professionally designed options. The Brand Kit system ensures brand consistency by storing essential assets like colors and logos. AI-powered tools like Magic Write, Magic Resize, and Magic Media enhance creativity, enabling seamless design adaptation and custom image creation from text descriptions. The Canva dashboard is your creative hub. On the left, explore template categories by format and purpose. The Brand Kit panel provides quick access to saved brand assets, ensuring visual consistency with your marketing identity. Begin by selecting a template from Canva's library that suits your campaign goal. Customize it by replacing text, adjusting colors, and swapping images with your brand visuals. Enhance your design with data using Canva's visualization tools. Finally, export your graphic in the format best suited for your intended platform. Designing a Facebook ad in Canva involves selecting the Summer Sale promo template, rewriting the headline to save 40% this weekend only, and integrating high-quality product photos with a prominent brand logo. Adding a bar chart for customer savings enhances credibility. This approach achieved a 3.2% click-through rate, surpassing industry benchmarks by 60%. The Facebook ad creation process in Canva involves strategic element placement. A bold headline captures attention, while a contrasting call-to-action button enhances visibility. Product images are central, ensuring focus, and the brand logo boosts recognition. Annotation overlays guide best practices, ensuring effective ad composition. Canva's video tools offer animated templates with smooth transitions and motion graphics, ideal for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Record voiceovers or choose from royalty-free music, adjusting audio levels for perfect synchronization. Export videos with platform-specific settings, ensuring optimal quality and fast loading across devices. Begin by selecting a promo template in Canva that aligns with your brand's style. Replace placeholder images with your product visuals, ensuring each clip lasts 3 to 5 seconds. Customize text overlays with key messages, and choose transitions like fade or slide. Add an upbeat track, preview, and export in 1080p for optimal social media impact. Canva's video timeline editor uses a multi-layer approach. Text and graphics occupy the top layers, video clips and images are in the middle, and audio waveforms are at the bottom. This structure allows precise control over timing, creative overlaps, and synchronization of audio with visuals, enhancing the overall video production process. Canva offers versatile data input options, including CSV, Excel, and Google Sheets integration for real-time updates. Choose from bar, pie, line, and area charts to visualize data effectively. Customize colors, axis labels, and annotations to align with your brand. Charts scale seamlessly across platforms, ensuring professional presentation in any format. This bar chart highlights the significant return on investment growth from digital campaigns using Canva. Lead generation surged by 25% over 3 months, and conversion rates rose from 2.8% to 3.5%. The distinct color coding clarifies metrics, showcasing the power of professional visuals in enhancing digital marketing effectiveness. Canva's collaboration features enhanced team efficiency. Real-time co-editing allows simultaneous design work, preventing conflicts. The comment system enables direct feedback without mentions, expediting approvals. Flexible sharing options offer customizable permissions and direct publishing. Version control tracks changes, allowing easy reversion to previous designs, safeguarding creative integrity. Customize templates extensively to avoid generic designs. Adjust layouts and add unique elements to reflect your brand. Set up a brand kit with official colors, fonts, and logos for consistent messaging. Review Canva's licensing rules to ensure proper usage. Regularly explore artificial intelligence tools like Magic Write and Background Remover to enhance design efficiency. Canva empowers marketers to create professional designs effortlessly, enhancing engagement with visually appealing content. Utilize these skills to transform your marketing strategy, boosting campaign performance. Begin your journey with a Canva Pro free trial and explore templates to unlock your full marketing potential today.